Hello everyone, welcome back. Ever wished you could schedule messages on WhatsApp? Maybe to send birthday wishes at midnight or remind someone of an important meeting. Well, today I'll show you exactly how to do it in under 2 minutes. Unfortunately, WhatsApp doesn't have a built-in scheduler, but don't worry, we have got a solution. We'll use a third-party app called Skedit. First, download Skedit from the Google Play Store. Link is in the description below. Open the app, sign up, and give it permission to access WhatsApp. Next, select WhatsApp. Type your message and set the date and time for it to be sent. You can choose Ask before sending to review or leave it disabled for automatic sending. Now your WhatsApp message will be sent exactly when you want. And that's it. You have now learned how to schedule WhatsApp messages on your Android phone. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.